Indohyus lived during the Middle Eocene, around 48 to 47 million years ago, in what is now India and Pakistan. It was a small, even-toed ungulate, about the size of a chevrotain or a domestic cat, weighing only a few kilograms. Its skeletal features reveal important adaptations for a semi-aquatic lifestyle. The bones were unusually dense and heavy, a condition known as osteosclerosis, which helped the animal remain submerged in water rather than floating. This same adaptation is found in modern hippos, and it suggests that Indohyus often entered the water. However, it was not a fully aquatic creature. It spent most of its time on land and likely entered rivers or swamps to avoid predators or to forage. Its diet was primarily plant-based, although isotopic analysis of its teeth suggests that it may also have consumed small aquatic organisms, pointing to a mixed feeding strategy. The most remarkable feature of Indohyus is found in its ear structure. Its auditory bulla contains a thickened inner wall called an involucrum, which is otherwise unique to whales, cetaceans. This single anatomical trait has been key in establishing a close evolutionary relationship between Indohyus and whales. Because of this, Indohyus is not considered a direct ancestor of whales, but rather a sister group that shared a common ancestor with them. At roughly the same time, other early whale-like animals such as Pococetus were also evolving. Indohyus shows what the land-dwelling relatives of whales might have looked like just before the transition to fully aquatic lifestyles began. The first remains of Indohyus were discovered in 1971 in Kashmir by the Indian geologist A. Ranga Rao, who recovered teeth and fragments of the jaw. Later, more complete fossils were found in the Koldana Formation, a geological unit dating to the Eocene, located in present-day India and Pakistan. These discoveries also reinforced the idea that South Asia was the cradle of whale evolution. After Ranga Rao's death, his collected specimens were re-examined by the Dutch paleontologist Hans Thewissen and colleagues in the early 2000s. Their detailed analysis revealed the involucrum and the heavy bone structure, confirming the evolutionary link to whales and bringing Indohyus to prominence in studies of mammalian evolution. The name Indohyus comes from Indo, India, and the Greek hais, pig, meaning the pig of India. Despite the name, it was not a pig, but a small, deer-like ungulate. Indohyus has no living descendants. The lineage went extinct millions of years ago. Its closest living relatives are whales and dolphins, but they did not descend directly from Indohyus. Rather, both lineages diverged from a shared ancestor. The behavior of Indohyus likely resembled that of modern chevrotains, which dive into water and remain motionless under the surface when threatened. This ecological strategy may represent one of the earliest stages of whale ancestors adapting to water. Through Indohyus, scientists gained a clearer picture of how the transition from land-dwelling mammals to fully aquatic whales may have begun. Additional studies suggest that Indohyus belonged to the family Rhyelidae, which is placed within Artiodactyla, even-toed ungulates. Molecular and fossil evidence show that cetaceans, whales, dolphins, and porpoises evolved from within this order, and today their closest living relatives are hippopotamuses. Indohyus therefore provides a crucial snapshot of what the earliest relatives of whales looked like, bridging the gap between terrestrial ungulates and the semi-aquatic ancestors of whales.